Hello, preschool and kindergarten students and parents. We are so excited to welcome you to our school. Parents, please join the Ventnor Elementary School Class Dojo page. Each morning on the Ventnor Elementary School Class Dojo page, I will post a video of the announcements, our school pledge, the Pledge of Allegiance, daily words of wisdom, and our question of the week, which always relates to our monthly character words. September is all about respect. Respect means being kind, nice, and thoughtful, and treating everyone the way that you want to be treated. But we will learn more about that together soon. We also take a community deep breath every morning. Let's practice taking a deep breath together now. Great job! Throughout the school year, I will be sharing videos on different breathing techniques that you can practice at home together. We will also be learning about our feelings, how to express them, and how to recognize how someone else is feeling. I will also be sharing mindful minute explorations for students and parents. We are so excited that you will be joining our VECC family, and your teachers can't wait to meet you. We know that you may be feeling excited and maybe a little worried about this new adventure. And if you are, that's okay. We feel that way too. But we know if we work together, we're going to have a wonderful school year full of learning and fun. Parents, we are here to support you along this new learning adventure. Please let us know if we can help or if you have any questions. We are also hoping to hold parent trainings and information sessions throughout the school year to support you, so stay tuned. Attendance is so important, online and in school. Always try your very best to be here and be online with your classmates, unless you aren't feeling well. Which reminds me, when we're in school, you will see me like this. We want to mask up in school so we are all safe and healthy. Always know there is a big smile under my mask. My smile really is this big. We can't wait to meet you and get to know you. See you soon, boys and girls.